Welcome to our English language course with English Islamic Manual. The course trainers are Sister Maryam and Said Hamid Buhari. You can have our online book. Message us at sistermaryam11@gmail.com or buharihamid786@gmail.com. You can visit our website for homeschooling, withkidsinmind.net. Also subscribe our videos and press the bell icon.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start with the first lesson in the Islamic English Manual, which is section B, which is the stories section. The first lesson being at the zoo. Alright, so lesson 1, at the zoo. Lesson 1. My name is Musa. Today we visited Toronto Zoo. I was there with my family and saw lots of animals. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created lots of animals and birds, some living in Canada while others living only in forests, others only in deserts. We saw those tough and dangerous animals, such as bears, lions, and tigers. They were a bit sleepy due to heat and sat mostly in shade. My sister Alia liked the birds. Her favorite was the colorful parrots of Australia. We were very excited to touch the stingray. If stings were cut off, but some parents thought it was not safe. Stingrays felt so soft and plushy. There were many types of birds and insects. We even saw sea lions and some water animals. The trip was very exciting, and we would like to go back.
Let's make the drill of difficult words and write them on charts for daily practice. So when you wake in the morning, do practice for 5 minutes, and in the evening for 5 more minutes. Let's start here. Visit, zoo, family, create, forest, desert, dangerous, bear, lion, tiger, shade, favorite, colorful, parrot, excited. Now, activity time. Let's do the activity of rhyming words. Pick out any word from the lesson and then say to the students to say some rhyming words. Zoo, to, do, grew, blue, glue, drew, flew, and woo. Now it's a grammar time. Prepositions use of an, on, in, at, by, with, into, but we'll take only on, in, at. Let's begin here.
Hamid walks on foot. Sister Maryam writes in ink. The ball is on the table. The ball is under the table. I write with pen. I travel in my bus. I travel by car. Musa travel on horse. Alia was born on Sunday. Nadia came at Eid. We came in January. I sat at the front row. Hi Alia, how are you?
I am fine, Musa. Which zoo your family visited?
We visited Toronto Zoo.
What did you see there?
Wow, I saw there a lot of animals and birds like parrots, peacock, lion, tiger and rest of the animals.
Thank you, miss, for the information. Next week I will also visit to the zoo.